Hello, in front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called connectivity. Tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called NFC. Select it, and here we can enable or disable the NFC. To enable it, tap on the switch next to NFC to flick it on, and once the switch is flicked on, it will change the color, and it means that the NFC is enabled. And now you can set up the Google Pay if you want to by tapping on Tap and Pay. And if you want to disable the NFC, you can tap on the switch to flick it off. The switch will be gray or grayed out, and means that the NFC is disabled. And once you're done customizing the settings, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.